About a week and a half ago, we had our entire family here. All of our kids and our grandkids, and to see everybody interacting in the pool, enjoying the water, just enjoying the space. This is exactly why we put this pool in.
The very first day that we met Dan Springhetti, he really was so thorough in walking us through what we could do and what we could make this look like. We talked about everything. We talked about the pool itself and how big it should be. We talked about lighting, and we talked about fire pits, and we talked about all of the pieces and parts to make this really into an outdoor oasis.
One of the biggest reasons for me to absolutely accept them as our contractor was Dan. He can walk up on a piece of property and have a vision right away. I can do interior all day long, but this was definitely a challenge for me, and just his knowledge and his ideas.
The whole Springhetti team just absolutely took this plan that Dan put together on our first day and executed it from flawlessly. The materials that they used was just top notch.
Everything was so precise when they were laying the pavers. I mean, that's their attention to detail exceeded our expectations. One of the reasons why we decided on the Bondi 35 was the sun deck. And our thought process was, we have young grandkids, and the first 10 feet of the sun deck is no more than 10 inches high. Funny thing is that that's where everybody congregates as far as gathering around the pool and making memories. Everybody sits around the pool deck. They took an idea, made it into a vision, and then made it come true.
The follow-up has been spectacular. Springhetti came and did what they call pool school with us, which was wonderful. And they had their people come in, really showed us how to work the equipment, what we needed to add to the pool as far as chemicals in order to keep, everything going down the right track. This really is our resort. This is our little place in the world, and we really don't have to travel to enjoy this and get up in the morning and walk outside, and we can be in the pool in mere minutes. We got our money's worth, for sure.
You can't put a price on memories made. Having Springhetti come and do this project for us, I wish we would have done it years earlier. We wake up every morning and we're blessed to be able to live here, and we pinch ourselves every day. And because of Springhetti and their team that they have and the quality product that they put in and how it's executed, we couldn't be happier.